All right, so this is an example of the school website, school and university website you're going to get from this program. So we're going to build it all out for you, including the design, the wording, everything. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful website like this. This is the founder of this particular school, and that came into our program, Dr. Malone and Dr. Shinida Atherton, and we build it all out for you, display your beautiful degrees. For example, this is a Doctor of Philosophy in Theology, and this is another one. This is a Master's in Christian Entrepreneurship. So you get all of this thing built out completely for you. We also give you 2 free courses as well, because courses will also help you to increase your revenue for your school. So I just want to give you guys a quick overview just to kind of see the kind of website we're going to build for you. Fully customizable with your colors, your wording, your logo, everything. And when we build it all out for you and you want to kind of make some changes yourself, you can do that as well. You can add more courses, more degrees, take, remove. Is a fully customizable solution. And your school website have the software that powers the whole school, everything from admission to tuition payment. See, student can do the admission right here and pay the admission fee. Everything is included. We'll build it all out for you. And also too, we also help you offer several payment plan for your students, so that if they cannot do the tuition in full, they have different payment plans to help them to do the tuition. Then you also can see the curriculum here. Your students can, on your website, your school website, they can also view your school curriculum to see exactly what classes they are going to be getting in the program as well. So like I said, it's a very, very it's a robust website and also fully customizable. You can go to the degrees. So this is what you're getting again: 31 degrees in total, including the tuition built out, the admission fee, the images, the curriculum, exam, quizzes, everything already done for you. So you can see the masters, you're gonna get 11 bachelor's degree, 11 masters, you're gonna get 10 master's degree, you're gonna get 8 doctorate degree, and you're going to get 2 hybrid degrees as well. So yes, there's another school also too, Forum University. You probably know them, Dr. Regina Achard and Dr. Damien Achard. They're the founders of this school, and you can see their website too is very, very powerful. You can see another website here. So we've helped a lot of people start their own Christian University and Bible College. This is American Christian University, very, very powerful school. That is also in the program, Raman Bible College. You can see their website too. It's very, very robust website. These are the founders here. You can see Kingdom Ambassadors Global Institute. This is a female founder. You can see Cornerstone and so many, many others. But let me take you guys to the first one I started with. So you guys can have a feel of the kind of website you're going to get. School website, all built out, all inclusive. So the only thing you need to do in this program is just to grade your students' examinations and quizzes and to market your school. Everything's already built out for you.